Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace the gas accelerator pedal on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017. Okay, we're talking about this one here. If you have a Fiesta including the ST and you need to remove or replace the accelerator gas pedal, we'll show you how to do that. Stay with us. We'll be taking the whole car apart guys, more than 200 videos on the channel, so that's coming soon. Please subscribe, let us know if you need anything, and let's start on it now. Okay, so you can see that's the accelerator pedal here. And it has 3 nuts with 13mm socket. So we'll show you where everything is. And the ones I cannot reach with the camera, we'll show you once we remove it. Stay with us until the end. You can see we still have even the plastic protector on it. So we're working on the second one now. And those seems to be self-locking nuts, so that's why they don't come out as easy. Okay, we're almost there. You can see the bolt is actually pretty long, so you have to unscrew the nut all the way. And towards the end it will get easier. Okay, this is the second one, right there. Now the third one is towards the top on the right side. Okay, we'll get this one loose, I'm not gonna waste your time and come back to it in a minute. Okay, the third one is out. Now we can pull it and you have a wire on it. So it's actually 2 nuts, my bad. Okay, that one there, the one that was hard to get, that's on the metal plate, you don't need to remove it. And this is my mistake. So only 2 nuts, and once we remove the pedal I'll show you exactly where they are. That's a good thing guys to watch the video, so you know what to expect and you don't do the mistakes, you don't make the same mistakes we make. So we'll go ahead, disconnect the wire now. Okay, so you press down, okay, on one side. Okay, let me get in there. Okay, you press down and you pull it out. And the clip for the wires is towards this side, okay, towards the back of the vehicle. So you press it from this side and you pull it out. That's where the 2 nuts are. You can see one is here and one is over there. And this is guys the gas pedal. Ours is a 2015 ST. This is the part number, yours might be different, so always check before you order them. So when you're ready to put it together, you need to connect the cable. You need to get the two nuts tight with that 13mm socket. Make sure that the cables click in place. You hear it. You hear an audible click when everything's in. Yep, right there. And just install the 2 nuts, get them tight. Make sure everything's tight, and that's the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.